In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Roku. First, turn on your Roku and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the Roku home screen, open the streaming store and search for YouTube. Select the official YouTube app and choose Add app to install it. You can also install the YouTube TV app if you have NFL Sunday Ticket through an active YouTube TV membership. Roku is a supported platform for NFL Sunday Ticket. If you purchase NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube, open the YouTube app on a Roku and sign in with the same Google account you used to purchase your subscription. Then search for NFL and select the NFL page. When a Sunday afternoon out-of-market game is live, select the game to start watching. If you purchase NFL Sunday Ticket as an add-on to YouTube TV, open the YouTube TV app on a Roku and sign in with the Google account connected to your subscription. Go to Home or Live section or search for NFL and select the game you want to watch. NFL Sunday Ticket provides access to regular season Sunday afternoon games that are not available on a local broadcast channels. And that's how you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Roku. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.